This is an instructional video on how to assemble the Roma table base. Whilst these table bases come with screws to attach the tabletop to the base, please be aware that not all bases do. You will need the following items to construct your base: 1 threaded rod, 2 flat washers, 3 nuts, 2 split washers, 1 pole, 1 top plate, 4 feet, 1 bag of screws and tool, and 1 base plate. Step 1. Place 1 nut, flat washer and split washer onto the threaded rod. Insert the rod into the bottom of the top plate and secure with an additional nut. Tighten with a spanner. Step 2. Position the top plate upside down on the ground and line up the slot from the pole to the groove on the top plate. Step 3. Once aligned, place the pole on the top plate. Step 4. Line up the slot on the pole to the groove on the base plate. Once aligned, place the base plate on the pole. Thread 1 flat washer, split washer and nut onto the threaded rod and tighten with the tool. Step 4. Screw 1 adjustable foot into the base and repeat. Thank you for taking the time to watch our instructional video.